Associate of Applied Science degree in Technical Theater is a 2-year program. We train skills and provide hands-on experience across the many specialties required of a professional theater technician. The program introduces students to the various careers available in technical theater and prepares students to enter the workforce as theater professionals. Within the AAS degree, we have 2 specializations. The first focuses on scenery construction, lighting, and media technology. The second focuses on costume technology and makeup artistry.
I was more focused on makeup, but obviously there's more things to learn, and coming to ACC now I'm more willing, you know what, I'd be willing to learn about lighting or to learn about wigs or something rather than just having a main focus on makeup. So I really love that ACC has opened my horizon in that aspect too.
Within those specializations, there are classes to introduce students to the basics of construction, design, and technology, as well as a sequence of professional development courses that are created to prepare students to seek internships and employment in their respective fields of theater.
So I think it's going to give me more of the hands-on experience that I need. I kind of know how to outfit people and stuff, but I need to learn more of the technical aspects so that I feel more confident in the field.
Being here, I've learned that there are so many different ways to do a project, to do an assignment, whatever. And I think that is the best thing I've learned, that I can look at other sources, you know.
This is very much like a practice-based place, and I feel like it just kind of gets to the heart of what you actually need to learn and gives you a chance to practice what you need.
We're trying in this program to make sure that we are giving our students the most up-to-date technology, the best connections, and preparing them to go out into the professional world confident that they have the skills and experiences they need.